This is Sunday afternoon. We've just had supper, and we're out here on the range, and we're going to demonstrate a couple of 22s that we really like. First of all, I want to demonstrate this. It's a Ruger Mark III. This one has a red dot sight on it, and makes it kind of fun to shoot. It's got a long barrel. It's a heavy barrel. This is a Mark III target model, 22 obviously. Nice gun, 10 round magazine. The magazines, what to do with the magazines? Oh, here they are. 10 round magazine, slides right in the grip. You know, nice little gun. Great gun for Sunday afternoon, plinking, just for having fun with. And we're going to demonstrate this one right now. Once we're through demonstrating this one, then we've got another one we'd like to show. And these are just guns to have a lot of fun with, and also good training. This is just a cheap red dot sight. I think it's a Tasco. Didn't spend more than probably $25 to $30 for it. Had it quite a while. But it works just fine for this gun. So we like this, and we'll show you how well it shoots and how much fun you can have with it. So we'll be right back. Okay, here we go. We're shooting the Ruger Mark III with the red dot. I'm going to turn the red dot on. Make sure I can get it in there. Yeah, I've got it. Here we go. There we go, 10 rounds. I need to warm up a little, obviously. We'll shoot 10 more. Alright, shooting a little low, it looks like, on those plates down there, on the paper plates that is. Let's try 10 more, see how that goes. It's not bad. It's putting them pretty much all in the same hole down there, so I think we're okay. Are you out?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Rachel. What did you think about it?
It's a good gun. It's easy to shoot.
Good gun, easy to shoot?
Yeah.
Now we're going to take a look at and shoot the Mark III Standard. This is just a short barrel, 4-inch. Doesn't have a scope on it or anything. Just straight iron sights. Loads the same way. This one's got the loaded chamber indicator. It's got the magazine release right here on the grip. The new Mark IIIs all come this way. The older Rugers would have a release down here on the bottom somewhere. But nice little guns. I bought this one used. Didn't spend a lot of money on it, but it's practically in brand new condition. And so we're going to see how it shoots, and we'll do that right now. Okay, here we go. Ruger Mark III Standard. Short barrel. Be a little less accurate. No red dot, so I'm going to have to use my old eyesight here. See how she does. Well, I hit that bottom steel. It didn't go down. Didn't turn over. Must have just ticked it on the edge or something. We'll shoot 10 more. See how these go. Well, there's another steel that didn't go down. Okay, let's give it a run for accuracy. We'll shoot one of the other paper plates there, see how it groups. Then we'll take the camera down there and look at the details. Alright, let's go down and take a look. Okay, let's take a look at the accuracy on these. This first plate right here was shot with the red dot. And you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's all 10. And these are grouped nicely right here, practically in the same hole. That gives you an indication that the red dot really does give you a little more accuracy, especially with old eyes like mine, because it really stands out. There's a good contrast there, and you don't have to squint and line up a front sight and a rear sight. So it does actually give you an advantage there, because you're not trying to line up sights and you know, squint on the front sight and things. So here's the other target. It was shot with a shorter barrel with the open sights. You'll notice that they're all on there. They're just spread out all over the place. Kind of looks like a shotgun. That's because those are open sights. Of course, I'm a little older and my eyes aren't as good as they used to be, but it does show you that with the open sights, it is a little harder to stay consistent because there's more things to take into consideration, you know, and a little bit of movement will make a big difference. By contrast, this one was really turned out good because you're just looking at that red dot and you can keep it pretty tight. So, you know, I'm not saying that everybody should shoot with the red dot, but the red dot does make it a little more accurate. At least it does for me. Thanks for watching. See you later.